Hi everybody. I wanted to show you how to turn in assignments through Canvas. I'm in student view right now, so this looks similar to what you see when you go into Canvas. There are two ways to turn in assignments. One is through modules and the other is through grades. And I'm going to show you each. I'm going to start with modules. When you click on modules, as you know, it takes you to the outline for the week, and it includes both pages and assignments. So for example, for week 5, this week, I have a web page, and you can tell it's a web page because it's got that little dog-eared page there, and it says page when you hover over it. And that page has just information, maybe some instructions. In this case, it's the overview for the week. Other pages for this class include lesson pages for the weekly reading assignments. You know that these are notebook assignments, and I'm asking that you read something from the textbook and then jot down a few notes in your notebook. There are other videos that help you with your note-taking strategies that you can look at in previous modules. But in this case, it's one of those assignments where I want you just to write this down in your notebook so that you can use it for tests and quizzes later on as we're learning. So that's just a page. Now sometimes those pages have assignments for you to do, but they're not assignments that you have to turn in. If there's an assignment you have to turn in, you can tell because it has this little icon in front of it with a pencil on it. And when you hover over it, it'll say assignment. The other way to tell that it's an assignment is it's got a due date, in this case October 4th, and a point value, so you know how much it's worth. If it has 0 points, it's an extra credit assignment. This example that I'm going to show you will give you an idea about how to turn a note check in or something from your notebook. So here's your notebook check for Chapter 2. And I asked you just to do take a couple of pictures from your notebook and turn it in. To turn that in, you would take your pictures of your notes and then submit them through Submit Assignment. Some of you are taking notes in Google Docs, and if that's the case, you could upload that Google Doc rather than taking a picture of your notebook. To turn it in, then let's imagine that you've taken your pictures and you've loaded them onto your Chromebook or your home desktop computer. Click on the Submit Assignment button, and that will open up at the bottom this dialog box. You can choose your pictures from your computer by clicking Choose File, and then click on the picture of your notebook page. And since there are 3 pictures that I asked for, then you would click Add Another File and then choose your second picture and then add another file and choose File and add your third picture. So you're able to turn in your pictures by clicking Submit Assignment. The other option is if you have a Google Doc. Again, you would click Submit Assignment. It would open up this dialog box. And you'll notice that one of the options is Google Drive. You'd click on the Google Drive tab, and even though you can't see it on my computer right now, it would open up your Google Drive and you could select your Google Drive file. In this case, it would be a Google Doc. And then click on that, and it would allow you to submit it. So those are the two ways that I'd like you to turn in assignments if they're pictures or if they're Google Docs. And that's how you would do it in modules. The second option is to go to grades. And I added the grades link so that you could see all of the assignments. And if you were thinking, I have so many assignments and I've got to turn them in, and I can't see them in modules, and I need to figure this out, then I added the grades link. And it shows a list of all your assignments, whether they're late, but you turn them in, whether they're missing, whether they're missing and you don't have any points for them. How do you do this? Again, you can click on the blue link and it will take you to the assignment page. It might look like this. If that's the case, you'll see a blue Submit Assignment button up in the corner, and it will take you to that assignment page so that you can submit your assignment. And in this case, for our our map assignment, local map assignment, you could take a picture of it and turn it in. So that's how you would turn in assignments using grades, because I know that it's helpful for you now to see a list of all the assignments, the status of the assignments, whether they're missing, whether they've been graded, whether they haven't been graded, and that way you can keep track of your grades more easily. So that's why I added that grades link. If you have any questions about turning in assignments, please just let me know and I'll help you out. Thanks.